Hi everyone, welcome back to Sam the Stoic. Today we're diving deep into a critical yet often overlooked health issue. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. This silent epidemic is rising alongside global obesity rates and impacts millions of lives. By the time symptoms appear, significant damage has often already occurred. Let's break it down, understand how our lifestyles can influence liver health, and most importantly, learn how to take proactive steps to protect this vital organ. Section 1. What are triglycerides and how do they affect the liver? Triglycerides are a type of fat stored in our fat cells and used for energy. When we eat more than our body needs and move less, triglycerides accumulate. Excess triglycerides can overwhelm the liver, leading to fatty liver disease. Certain medications can also cause high triglyceride levels, so regular liver function tests are essential. Key point: fat buildup in the liver can cause inflammation, which may progress to more severe conditions like fibrosis and cirrhosis.
Questions time. What are triglycerides?
Triglycerides are fats stored in fat cells, used by the body for energy.
How do triglycerides affect liver health?
Excess triglycerides can accumulate in the liver, causing fat buildup, which may lead to inflammation and liver disease.
Why is it important to get a liver function test?
A liver function test helps detect abnormalities in triglyceride levels and liver function early, allowing for preventive action. Section 2. Non-alcoholic versus alcoholic fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease can occur even in people who don't drink alcohol. In fact, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, is closely linked to obesity and metabolic disorders. However, some people may have a combination of both alcoholic and non-alcoholic liver disease. Important point: liver disease is one of the most common causes of abnormal blood test results in the UK.
Can you have liver disease without drinking alcohol?
Yes, NAFLD can occur in people who don't consume alcohol, especially those who are overweight or have metabolic conditions.
Why is NAFLD called a silent epidemic?
Because symptoms usually appear after significant liver damage has already occurred.
What are common causes of NAFLD?
Obesity, insulin resistance, metabolic syndrome, and genetic predisposition. Section 3. Who is at risk? Risk factors for NAFLD include being overweight or obese, type 2 diabetes, metabolic syndrome, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and abdominal obesity, family history of liver disease, conditions like polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, and psoriasis. Interestingly, environmental factors such as diet and lifestyle play a significant role. For instance, processed and microwavable foods high in fat and sugar can increase the risk.
Questions time. What is metabolic syndrome?
Metabolic syndrome is a group of conditions, including high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and insulin resistance, that increase the risk of liver disease.
How does family history affect NAFLD risk?
Family history may indicate a genetic predisposition to metabolic issues, increasing the likelihood of developing liver disease.
Can lifestyle changes help reduce risk?
Yes, improving diet, exercising, and managing conditions like diabetes and high cholesterol can significantly reduce the risk. Section 4. The progression of liver disease. The stages of liver disease progress from a healthy liver to fatty liver, steatosis, fibrosis, cirrhosis, and eventually liver failure. Steatosis, fat buildup in the liver. Fibrosis, scarring that starts to affect liver function. Cirrhosis, severe scarring that disrupts liver function entirely. Liver failure, the liver is unable to function, often requiring a transplant. Key fact: it can take up to 50 years for NAFLD to progress to cirrhosis, but in some individuals, progression can happen much faster due to genetic and environmental factors.
Questions time. What is fibrosis?
Fibrosis is the formation of scar tissue in the liver due to ongoing inflammation.
How long does it usually take for NAFLD to progress to cirrhosis?
On average, it takes around 50 years, though this varies by individual.
Can the liver regenerate?
Yes, the liver can regenerate if damage is caught early and lifestyle changes are made. Section 5. Portal hypertension and varices. When the liver becomes scarred and stiff, it can cause portal hypertension, where blood cannot flow properly through the liver. This can lead to the formation of fragile veins, known as varices, which may rupture and cause life-threatening internal bleeding. Treatments include medications to lower blood pressure, endoscopic procedures to place elastic bands around varices to prevent bleeding. In severe cases, a liver transplant may be necessary.
Questions time. What is portal hypertension?
Portal hypertension is increased blood pressure in the portal vein due to liver scarring.
What are varices?
Varices are fragile, swollen veins that form when blood flow is blocked and can rupture, causing internal bleeding.
How can varices be treated?
Treatments include medication, endoscopic banding, and in severe cases, a liver transplant. Section 6. Prevention and Management of NAFLD. The good news is that NAFLD can be prevented and in some cases reversed through 1. Healthy diet. Avoid processed foods, excess sugar and trans fats. 2. Regular exercise. Even moderate exercise can reduce liver fat. 3. Weight loss. Losing 5 to 10% of body weight can significantly improve liver health. 4. Managing comorbid conditions. Keep diabetes, high blood pressure, and cholesterol levels under control. 5. Limit alcohol. Even small amounts can worsen liver inflammation.
Questions time. Can weight loss help reverse NAFLD?
Yes, losing just 5 to 10% of body weight can significantly improve liver function.
What lifestyle changes are most effective in managing NAFLD?
A healthy diet, regular exercise, and managing conditions like diabetes and high cholesterol.
Is NAFLD reversible?
In its early stages, yes. By reducing inflammation and fat accumulation, the liver can regenerate. Conclusion. Thank you for tuning in to Sam the Stoic. Today's key takeaway is that NAFLD is a silent but preventable disease. By making small but consistent lifestyle changes, we can protect our liver and live healthier lives. Remember, early detection is key, so don't overlook regular checkups. What was the most surprising thing you learned today? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness about liver health. Stay strong, stay wise, and stay stoic. See you in the next video.